Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Pushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So let's discuss about the semi-solid dosage forms. Semi-solid dosage forms are mainly meant for external application, for an example ointment, creams, jellies, pastes, poultices. In that we will discuss about the creams. These are the semi-solid emulsions for external use. There are two kinds, aqueous and oily creams, in which the emulsions are oil in water and water in oil respectively. The oil in water type is a relatively non-greasy. Creams are a very popular form of external medication. Recommended containers for these semi-solid preparations are dispersed in glass or plastic jars having screw caps with the impermeable liner. They should be stored in a well-closed container so as to prevent the loss of volatile constituents. They can also be supplied in the plastic or metallic collapsible tubes. Special labeling instructions: store in a cool place for external use only. We will discuss about experiments in the next session. Experiment number 64. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit zinc cream 10 gram. Zinc oxide acts as a mild astringent. Learning objectives are to understand the concept of preparation, ability to prepare and label the cream correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. Prescription, which is given by the symbol Rx. This is the formula for that particular cream. Let's discuss about the formulation table in detail. That is type means category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. As we don't have the quantities given in the Latin terminology, so that's why there is nothing written in this quantity given in imperial system. Quantity given in metric system to prepare up to 1000 gram and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 gram. Zinc oxide finely sifted, used as a astringent. Quantity given is a 320 gram. Taken quantity should be 3.2 gram. Calcium hydroxide used as a alkalizing agent. Quantity given in the metric system is 0.45 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.0045 gram. Oleic acid used as a moisturizing agent to this maintaining the moisture balance, that is used as a moisturizing to the skin. Quantity given is a 5 ml. Taken quantity should be 0.05 ml. Then arachis oil used as a laxative, that is quantity given is a 320 gram. Taken quantity should be 3.22 gram. Wool fat used as a base, cream base and also moisturizer also, that is quantity given is 80 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.8 gram. Freshly purified water, freshly boiled and cooled, used as a vehicle. Quantity sufficient is 1000 gram and taken quantity should be quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 gram. Direction to be used as directed by physician.
We have, this is a zinc oxide which is a previously where this is a calcium hydroxide, this is oleic acid which is taken into this beaker, this is a arachis oil which is also taken into this beaker, this is lanolin, that is wool fat. So first of all I am going to take this calcium hydroxide and this zinc oxide into this mortar pestle and I am proceed for proper trituration of it. After proper trituration of it or mixing of this powder, I am going to add now this oleic acid into it. Again triturate it properly. After that I am going to add this arachis oil into it. Again triturate it properly, and after proper trituration now I am going to incorporate this wool fat into this previously prepared formulation. So as again triturate it properly, and after proper trituration now I am going to transfer this formulation into this container and then we will proceed for next labeling part. Labeling of formulation. So we will proceed for actual labeling of this formulation. Cream 10 gram. For ABC, that is the name of patient. Register number XYZ, that is the number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September